If you're looking for the best outdoor inflatable mattress, you are in the right place. Whether you're planning a camping trip, a hiking adventure, or just a relaxing outdoor experience, having a reliable inflatable mattress can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the features, benefits, and reasons why these top-rated products stand out in the market. After all, choosing the right mattress ensures comfort, durability, and ease of use during your outdoor adventures. We've spent hours researching hundreds of products to bring you the absolute best options available. From innovative designs to durable materials, we've got it all covered. So sit back and relax as we guide you through the ultimate list of outdoor inflatable mattresses. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description to grab your favorite one today. Number 5. PACOONE Outdoor Camping Sleeping Pad. The PACOONE Outdoor Camping Sleeping Pad is a lightweight and versatile option designed for solo campers. Made from durable TPU nylon, it weighs just 550 grams, making it easy to carry on any hiking or camping trip. The built-in inflator pump allows quick setup, and the 5 cm thickness provides adequate cushioning on uneven terrain. The waterproof material ensures comfort even in damp conditions, and the integrated pillow adds a touch of luxury to your outdoor experience. Pros include its ultralight design, compact storage, and water resistance. On the downside, it's suitable for only one person and may feel a bit narrow for larger individuals. Despite this, it's an excellent option for those who value portability and convenience in their outdoor gear. Number 4. Widesea Inflatable Camping Air Mattress. The Widesea Inflatable Camping Air Mattress is perfect for campers seeking a budget-friendly yet functional option. Constructed from durable EVA material, this mattress provides a comfortable sleeping surface while being resistant to wear and tear. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for hikers and trekkers who prioritize mobility. The pros of this product include its affordability, simplicity, and reliable construction. However, it lacks some of the advanced features like built-in inflators or additional cushioning. For those looking for a no-fuss mattress that gets the job done, the Widesea Inflatable Camping Air Mattress is a fantastic choice. Number 3. Windhike R4.2 Inflatable Mattress. The Windhike R4.2 inflatable mattress offers a blend of comfort and functionality. With a thickness of 10 cm and multiple size options, it provides excellent cushioning and insulation for a good night's sleep. The included inflatable bag makes it easy to set up, and the waterproof material ensures durability in all conditions. Its pros include superior thickness, multiple size options, and robust waterproof construction. However, its slightly higher price and bulkier size compared to ultralight models might not suit minimalists. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those prioritizing comfort and durability in their outdoor gear. Number 2. Flexibility over zero matter of fact. The FLEXTAIL Zero mattress is a premium inflatable pad that stands out for its exceptional insulation with a 5.6 Re value. Made with TPU nylon, this ultralight mattress weighs only 690 grams and inflates to a comfortable 7 cm thickness. Its compact design makes it easy to pack, and it can support up to 150 kg, ensuring reliability for all campers. Pros include excellent insulation, lightweight portability, and a durable build. The downside is the need for an external inflator pump, which adds a step to the setup process. For those seeking top-tier comfort and insulation, this mattress is a must-have. Number 1. Naturehike Travel Tent Inflatable Mattress. The Naturehike Travel Tent Inflatable Mattress is the ultimate choice for couples or solo campers who value comfort. With a thickness of 13 cm and dimensions suitable for up to 2 people, it offers unmatched comfort and support. The durable nylon TPU and PVC construction ensure longevity, while its waterproof design keeps you dry in any weather. Pros include its spacious size, superior thickness, and premium materials. However, at 1.6 K, it's heavier than other options and may not suit ultralight hikers. For those prioritizing luxury and space in their outdoor adventures, the Naturehike mattress is the perfect solution.